Okay, this can be a level 3. It says to construct the net of a pyramid with S. What does S stand for?
Side.
Side, and SH stands for slant height. Okay, those are the only measurements it gives you. So clearly we're going to have to figure some other things. Well, it says to construct a net. So to construct means to use tools. What we're also going to do though is we're going to sketch the pyramid. So you actually have to do 2 different drawings for this problem. What I'm going to ask you to do when you do this on your worksheet is that in this space, it's not big enough for a construction. It's only big enough for a sketch. So you're going to do your sketch here, you'll do your construction on a separate piece of paper. Okay, so it says to do the construction first, right? And you can, but it's probably smarter to do the sketch first. Let me show you why. Can you guys tell what this pyramid is going to look like from these little measurements? It's kind of hard to tell, right?
Yeah.
So if I sketch the pyramid, I'll see it better. Does that make sense? Okay, so sketching a pyramid. Well, one of the things you need to know is how to sketch a pyramid. So everybody, if you're not sure how to sketch a pyramid, make one of those on your paper. Just that. And think about this. S equals 10 inches means the side length of the base is 10 inches. So how long would this have to be?
10.
10 inches. By the way, this is a sketch, so do I have to measure this?
No.
Nope, it's just a sketch. How long would this be?
13?
Nope, it's also 10 inches. These are the sides of the base.
Oh.
Okay? So most pyramids are square-based pyramids. So whatever this is, this will be the same. All right, if you're having trouble with a drawing, here's a great next step. Put a dot up above. By the way, you should be doing this in your notes, not on your practice quiz.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
From the dot, we connect to all 3 vertices, and we have our sketch of the pyramid. Next deal with the pyramid is that we keep dotted lines going from here to here, and then down to there. So this is the pyramid, but we still are missing some stuff. One of the things we had to clarify, the height. The height goes from the vertex straight down to the center of the pyramid. So this is the height. Do we know the height right now? No. The slant height goes from the vertex to the center of one of the segments. Do we know the slant height of this pyramid?
No.
Yes, we do. Pay attention.
13.
13, okay. So, this is 13, this is 10. This might be looking pretty familiar to those of you, especially if you think back on your warm-up.
Same problem.
It's the same problem. This is the 3rd time I'm giving you the same problem, isn't it? Okay. Because it pays to notice things. What's this distance here?
10.
10. So what would this distance be?
5.
5. If that's 5 and you do the Pythagorean theorem, you're going to find out that the height is 12, okay? That's not really a news flash. Okay, the height is 12. The slant height was 13. The side length was what, everybody?
10.
10, of course. Okay. So we've got all that taken care of. Now all that's left is find the surface area, the volume, and then construct the net. All right, so the surface area is going to be the area of the base, meaning the area of that square, plus the perimeter of the base times the slant height divided by 2. All right, the area of the base means the area of the square. If one side is 10, the area has to be 10 times 10, or 100. Everybody got that? And the perimeter of the base is going to be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. What's that going to be? 40. So it's going to be 40 times the slant height, which was what again? 13 over 2. Okay, common mistake time. We have addition, we have multiplication. What has to be done first? The multiplication has to be done first. We can write the 40 over 1 to give us a little reduction deal. That's always nice. What's 20 times 13? 20 times 13.
260.
260, okay. 100 plus 260 will be your answer for the surface area.
360 units
360
units squared.
mm-mm,
Oh,
inches
squared.
squared. Nice, cool. All right, that was our surface area. Volume is going to be 1/3 area of the base times the height. So that will be 1/3 times, what is the area of the base? We already did it once. What was it?
100.
100. See, if you pay attention to what you're doing, you do less work. 100 over what? 1, because every number is always over 1. Okay, and then the height was what?
12.
12, so I'll write that over
1.
1 as well. Do I have a reduction opportunity here? Yes, the 3 and the 12, right? The 12 becomes 4. These are all 1s on the bottom, so now I just multiply. 100 times 4 is
400.
400
Inches
Inches.
cubed.
inches
Cube.
cubed. Cool. Not that hard.
Nope.
Took it from words to diagram to solution. We will come back in a couple minutes and do the net.